This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to be jamming together on songs 17 through 20, which are found on pages 18, 19, and 20 of my Tablature Method book. So we'll be playing those melodies by reading that tablature. It's going to be super fun. You, me, and we'll be jamming with the band. So before we jump in and start playing these songs, I want to work with you on a technique that will help with playing some of them. With some of these songs, there's going to be places where we have a note that's in a particular fret on a particular string, followed by a note in that same fret but on a different string. Now, when doing this, we don't actually have to lift our finger to go back and forth between the notes. We can do a little roll technique. So to sort of help develop our ability to do this roll technique, if we stick our index finger at the first fret of the second string, and then the next note is going to be in the first fret of the first string, so we don't have to actually lift our finger to go from one to the next. We can actually just flatten out our finger and do that little roll technique, just like that. So we're going to have some places throughout some of these melodies where this sort of thing is going to happen. And so to sort of get ready for that, you can go and do an exercise where you just practice this across the different strings in each of the frets. So from first fret to first fret on that second string to that first string. Then do middle finger second fret to second fret on that second string to that top string. Then third fret to third fret. And if you want to, you could actually go ahead and start practicing with the pinky, though we're not playing any melodies in this video where we're actually using the pinky. But you just go index, index, middle, middle, ring, ring, and then if you want to, you can go pinky, pinky. Now, that's not so bad. In reverse, if it was a higher string to a lower string, we sort of start flattened out and then come back to our tip. So if you come back down, you do it in reverse. So you start with the flattened out finger that's sort of on both of the strings, but only pressing down the higher string, and then it rolls up to the tip of the second one. So if I go index, index, middle, middle, mid, ring, ring, and then pinky, pinky. If I were to do it in reverse, I come higher to lower by rolling back. It can be a little tricky and it may take a little while to get comfortable with that, but you want to work that on those two strings, and then you could also work it between the third string and the second string. So index to index, going third string to second string, and then middle, ring, and then if you want to work that pinky, it's good to work out for that pinky and then come back going the opposite way. So that's a little exercise and a little technique that will help you. You don't need to actually lift up your finger. That slows things down. So if you want to and need to, you can continue to lift up your finger from one note to the next when they're in the same fret but on a different string. But you can also use that little rolling technique, which will help you build up speed, especially down the road when we get into things that have lots more notes. Right now we're playing with quarter notes. Okay, so each one of these songs is going to first happen at a slower tempo, and then it'll happen at a faster tempo, just like the other jam along videos that we've been doing with this lesson series that goes with the Tablature book. So it's going to be super fun. We'll start there with number 17, then move on to 18, 19, and 20. You just play through, try and play along with me, almost like Guitar Hero, but if there's spots that are tripping you up, you can pause and work on those spots and then come back and jam along with the video again. So it's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and jam together. All right, I hope this is fun and helpful for you. As we continue with the next songs in the tablature book, we're going to start having melodies that use our pinky. So we're going to start adding in our pinky. We're going to have some things in the 4th fret there in first position. So we'll still be staying on the top 3 strings, but we'll be working in the first 4 frets now. It's going to be great. Take care. I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.